Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this text animation in the Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I just need to close this, going back to the Canva video, and we need to choose the landscape video. Of course, works with other video forms also, but because it's vertical, so better to have this landscape video frame for it or Canva for it. First, we need to add the text. I will create the same, and the reason why I'm starting from the back, we need to choose the longest text as possible, what we would like to show. Like, for example, now I would like to add again this Canva teacher tutorial. So the teacher and the tutorial is more or less the same. But if I start with the Canva and just increasing the size, change the font, and then I made everything, then I changed the text to tutorial. For sure, this will be some part will be outside of the canvas, so better to start with the longest text what you would like to use. So now I use the font type Anton. In the other video that in the previous one, this one I used Lalita one, but now I'm trying with Anton. So just increasing the size, might be too bit smaller. This even a bit smaller. Now I go into the position, middle, center, okay, and we need to change the color of the text. In this case to white, but actually you need to match the background color for this effect. So I'm going to the elements and I'm searching for blur, graphics, and I will choose this red one, increasing the size just a bit, moving to the left. And this is a part which is time to time not working properly for me. So going to the animate, create animation, and moving to the right from the left. But the animation was not done. I don't know why. It's happened with me several times. Now it's good. Okay. That looks good. Okay. I don't know why this frame is not moved together. Actually, this is the part of the element, but I don't know why is it happening. So going to the movement style, and we can use a smooth or steady. I use the steady. Speed, I just move the slowest one and click on done. So if I just click on preview, as you can see, it works perfectly what I want. So now I just need to duplicate the page actually twice, and here this is teacher, and this is double click, and this is Canva, and here I can see Canva, teacher, and tutorial. Of course, if you would like to reduce the full length, we can change the length of the pages one by one, and maybe we can also add some transition like this half second and apply between our pages. Let's see what's happened now. looks a bit faster actually. And I think this animation is perfect, looks really good. It's some small problem with the animating this circle. Maybe if I have it a bit bigger one, this looks a bit better. But now I don't want to try it again. We can play with it. But I think this is really looks good. So this tutorial now is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section, first of all to feed the algorithm and let me reach more and more people with my tutorials. And of course, if you're struggling anything in a Canva or just have any question about Canva, just let me know and I try to answer as soon as possible. And if needed, I will create a tutorial about it. Please also check the description of the video where you can find the links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages where you can find lots of another great tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in a Facebook page, and of course in a TikTok and Instagram pages you can find short form Canva tutorials. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.